This legal question has been asked the last 30 days by Apple, Amazon, Meta, and Google. And we're going to solve it right now to make sure you can solve it in the interview. And the problem is LRU cache. We have to design a data structure that follows the constraints of a least recently used cache. It's initialized with a positive size capacity. We need to implement the function get, which returns the value of the key if the key exists, otherwise -1, and puts, where we update the value of the key if the key exists, otherwise we add the key value pair to the cache. If the number of keys ever exceed the capacity that we initialized with, we need to evict the least recently used key. The hard part is both of these operations need to be done in O of 1 time. In Python, we can just do from collections, import, ordered dict. This is a data structure that will allow us to accomplish this problem. To start, we're going to initialize self.c equal to capacity and self.m equal to an ordered dictionary. The ordered dictionary is extremely important for this problem. For one, it maintains the order that keys were inserted into the dictionary. This will allow us to maintain that LRU structure. Additionally, it has two key functions for us. One is move to end. This will move a key to be at the front of our ordering. The next function is pop item. This will allow us to pop either from the front or back of our key orderings. So let's see how to implement it. For our get function, we're just going to see if the key is in self.m. If it is, we need to make sure to move it to the front of our ordering as it's just been used. In that case, we'll do self.m.move to end key and then just return self.m key. Now, if the key's not there, we just return -1. Bam, gets done. For put, we need to make sure we're abiding by a capacity requirement. By just updating the value of the key in the dictionary, it doesn't automatically get moved to the front again. So we're gonna make sure if key is in self.m, that again, we move the key to the end of the dictionary. Then we're gonna update the value of the key to be the value that's passed in. And lastly, if the length of our dictionary is greater than the capacity, then we need to pop from our dictionary. And we can do that easily and pop the least recently used element just by doing self.m.pop item and set last equal to false. This will pop from the front of our dictionary. And just like that, when we submit this code here, we are accepted with 96% runtime.